The universe is transformation. Life is opinion. The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it. The nature of the universe is such that ends can never stand without means. The sun, the moon, and the stars would have disappeared long ago, had they happened to be within the reach of predatory human hands. Everything is interwoven, and the web is holy. If you really want to escape the things that harass you, what you're needing is not to be in a different place, but to be a different person. The nature of the universe is such that ends can never stand without means. Everything is interwoven, and the web is holy. In nature, there is no gulf between the human and the divine. The universe is one, and everything in it is connected. The elements are the same in all bodies, though they are hidden by different forms. Nature is neither a lover nor a guide, but like a musician, indifferent to the efforts of its composition. The course of nature is the art of God. The stars are like letters that inscribe themselves at every moment in the sky. What is without periods of rest will not endure,